my all-new Animal Spirit Guide acrylic painting series. Started earlier this August with our wisdom. Explore your true self through the lens of owl, animal, spirit symbolism at the canvas, while at the same time learn new painting techniques in the acrylic medium. What to expect? This is an online, self-paced, full tutorial presented by creatively fit coach Gideon's Light. This acrylic painting class will take you step by step through a unique painting style that can help you to grow as an artist. Creating art is also a great metaphor for your life. And while we deal with the paint layers, we will use the symbolism of the owl to do some introspection that could facilitate personal growth as you tune into your personal resilience. Learn how to develop a grayscale underpainting. That makes it a bit easier when you have to paint a lot of detail. This approach is a professional technique that can be very empowering to beginners in acrylics, and also benefit more advanced painters too. The Patreon membership will cost $5 US per month, and you can unsubscribe at any time. To gain access to this online class, subscribe to my Patreon channel at patreon.com/Gideon's Light Creative Coaching. See you over there.